Have you ever stopped to think how exactly does the internet work? We use it every day for chatting, shopping, learning, and entertainment. But what's really happening behind the scene? Today I will explain the internet in the simplest way possible. Let's get started. The internet is a massive network of millions of computers and devices all around the world connected together. You can think of it as a giant web where information flows from one point to another. Every message, photo, or video you send travels through this network, sometimes across thousands of miles in less than a second. Most internet connections are made through fiber optic cables. These are thin glass wires that carry data using beams of light. These cables run under the ground and even across oceans, called submarine cables, connecting countries and continents. Some connections are made using satellites beaming signals directly to remote areas. This is how companies like Starlink are bringing internet to places without cables. How data travels. When you visit a website, your device sends a request called a data packet to a nearby server. The server finds the information and sends it back to you, also in packets. These packets travel through multiple routers and switches, choosing the fastest route possible, kind of like GPS navigation but for data. IP addresses and DNS. Every device on the internet has a unique ID called an IP address, but since remembering numbers is hard, we use website names like google.com. A system called DNS, domain name system, translates these names into IP addresses so your device knows where to send the request. Speed and security. The speed of the internet depends on the quality of cables, the distance to the server, and the amount of traffic at the time. For security, websites use HTTPS encryption to protect the data being sent so hackers can't read it even if they intercept it. So the internet isn't magic, it's a combination of powerful cables, smart computers, satellites, and some very clever engineering, and it's only getting faster and smarter every year. If you learn something new today, hit like button, share this with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.